just wanted to make a really big announcement because I just got home, kind of, and when I got home, one of my YouTube friends contacted me, and she made a new channel, which you should go check her out. I'll link her down below, and sorry about my messy background. I just really want to make this video for you guys because I thought it would be really exciting, and you don't know how happy I am right now. So yeah, just keep up. Wow. Anyway, so she made a video as well saying to subscribe to me and stuff, and I just like talked to her like a couple minutes-ish ago, like maybe like 10 minutes ago, and I congratulated her with her new channel. I was really happy, and I thanked her for doing that because it really means a lot to me, and I'm just so glad because we reached freaking 60 subscribers. I know it's not that much, but it's something. Thank you, Vicky, so much. I couldn't ask for any more because that's like amazing. Like, thank you so much. Like, so in honor of getting 60 subscribers, I am going to be doing a collab-away. So if you want to win a collab with me, all you have to do is just follow the rules, and I'll put them right here somewhere, and I'll have them as well in the description box as well, and I'll link Vicky's channel down below so you guys could go subscribe to her. And yeah, so to enter in my collab-away contest, all you have to do is follow me on Musical.ly, comment down your Musical.ly name, like your username on Musical.ly, be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below why you want to win a collab with me. Those are the rules, and if your parents do not let you have Musical.ly or anything, that's understandable. As long as you're subscribed and you like the video and you comment down below why you want it to win the collab, it will be a great opportunity to enter, so you can still enter. So I wish you the best of luck, and bye. Let me love, boy, what you know. Let me